Birthday, brother. I hope you're having fun today and enjoying your hopefully a day off for you as you celebrate your birthday. Here's wishing you good health, more success in life, and enjoy the time with your family. Happy birthday, brother.
Hello. Happy birthday, Kuya Edsel. 50 years old ka na. So, matanda ka na. So, sana magkaroon ka ng marami pang time para sa iyong family. More blessings and good health. Sana wag kang magbago. Maging jolly ka pa rin kahit na tumanda ka na. Pero, sana bawasan na yung tigas ng ulo at always be happy.
Greetings, cousin. Just wishing you a wonderful happy birthday. Happy 50th. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Edsel!
Cheers!
Happy birthday! Welcome to the club. And don't worry, it's all downhill from here.
Happy birthday, Tito Edsel!
Happy birthday, Edsel! All the best and good health. May God bless you always. And welcome to the club! Happy birthday!
Sa'yo ang inumin. Happy birthday. Sana'y matulog mo kami.
Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy 50th birthday to my favorite brother-in-law. Thank you for loving us, especially my family, and thank you for your genuinity, for being a good brother-in-law. I love you, you know that one. I'm just here for you anytime, any network, and anywhere. I love you! Happy 50th birthday, my love! Mahal ko!
Hi, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. God bless po. Thank you so much for taking care of us. And we hope to see you in the Philippines soon. And I hope you enjoy your 51st year living. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Edsel! Thank you for always being kind to me and Kuya Dom and for always making us laugh. We love you so much. Bye!
Hello, Pari Edsel. Happy birthday. Happy golden birthday. Enjoy the day. This is your special day. Just enjoy it. And, well, my wish for you is may you be blessed with many more years of good health, happiness, and of course, love. You deserve to be loved because you're so mabait. You're so good to us. Thank you for everything, for all the help, for all the support that you've given to me and my family. Well, that's all. Just enjoy the day. This is all about your day. Your special day. The focus is on you. Only you. Bye. Happy birthday. God bless.
50th birthday, paring Edsel. Welcome to club. Kala mo, kasama ka na rin sa grupo. Nga pala, wala akong masasabi kundi salamat ng maraming pare. Lalo na sa suporta nyo sa aming mag-asawa. Hindi lang sa'yo, pati kay Mare. Thank you so much sa mga support nyo sa amin. At ang masasabi ko lang, enjoy your birthday and have a great celebration with your family. God bless. Viva Mapua!
Hi, Edsel. Happiest 50th birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, success, prosperity, joy, peace of heart, and above all, long life, full of big blessings. You are blessed and be blessed. Be a blessing to others. Hugs on your birthday. God bless.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Edsel. May God bless you with good health and long life.
Happy birthday po, Ninong. Enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday to Edsel! God bless all the best. More to come. Thank you for loving my favorite cousin, Jennifer.
Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Hi, Tito Edsel. Alam ko, late na, but happy birthday. Say happy 50th birthday. I hope you enjoy all the celebrations, enjoy life, take care lagi, and I hope to see you and your family soon. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday to the coolest cousin around. Don't worry, we are too young and fabulous to be turning another year older. Forget the wrinkles. Just think of them as the vintage laugh. May you have many more birthdays to come. More blessings. Good health always. God bless you and your family always. Happy birthday.
Sa gwapo naman na kuya. Akala mo masyadong seryoso pero masyado po yan pala biro. Happy birthday kuya. I wish you all the best and cheers for more years of happiness and prosperity. And see you soon. And libre mo kami pag nandyan na kami ha. Bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday.
Edsel, happy birthday.
Uy!
50th birthday. More birthday years to come. More blessings, good health. God bless you. Love you. Love you, Edsel. We love you.
Go.
Wish ko Edsel. Good health. Good health for you. And more blessings. More birthday years to come.
Edsel! Happy birthday! Mayo lang tan, katinguha ko nga magimaya ng lawas mo.
Go.
I love you. Good health. Tapos sunod.
Hi Edsel, happy birthday. It's your golden year. So I wish you good health, more wealth and prosperity. Have great fun today. I know you will have lots of fun with your family and hopefully I can see you soon. We can see you soon. Salamat. Maligayang bati ulit.
Happy birthday, Edsel! Congrats for reaching the big 5-0. I wish you continued success sa work and good health para more quality time with Jen, Jensel, and Joshua Yuri. Stay safe and hydrated kayong lahat dyan. Take care and God bless.
Ay, Edsel, happy birthday. Tumatanda ka na. Ako ba mabata pa rin? Happy birthday. May 1 nga pala ang birthday mo. Ay, May 1 ka nga ba? May 7 yata. O, May 7 pala. So, ayun, kumusta na lang dyan at sana maging malakas ka palagi kahit tumatanda na tayo. At dito mag-hike lang kami, nagpa-practice. Pupunta ng Spain kasi magkakamino. O sige, happy birthday at kamusta sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye.
Happy golden years, Edsel. Wishing you good health and more years of friendship.
Hi Edsel, surprise! I just want to greet you a happy 50th birthday. So, nauna ka na ha. Anyway, marami pang susunod. God bless you. Enjoy your day with your family and more birthdays to come. Miss you.
Edsel, nagulat ka no? Happy
50th birthday, pre. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, pre, Edsel! Mahal ang talent fee nito. Anyway, birthday gift ko na lang yan sa'yo. Again, happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Have a blast. See you soon.
Hi Edsel, happy birthday, happy golden, happy 50th birthday. God bless.
Hi Edsel, this is Rishi wishing you a happy birthday. God bless.
Hello Edsel, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you lots of love and happiness. And I just want to say thank you for all the memories and laughter that we've shared together. I miss you, my friend. I hope you're enjoying your day.
Ayan. Happy 50th birthday, Edsel. Wishing you more birthdays to celebrate, good health, and more success in your career. God bless. Ayan.
Hello, Edsel. Happy birthday, balita ko, 50 ka na. So, milestone yan sa buhay mo. So, ayun lang. I wish you all the best for the next coming years sa career mo. At sana maging mas matagumpay ka pa kung sa anong sitwasyon mo ngayon. Bye!
Hi, Sir Edsel. Ninong Eggshell. Happy golden birthday. Oh my God, 50 ka na pala. Pero hindi naman halata. So, age is just a number. Huwag kang mag-alala. I am very grateful kay Lord for giving a friend like you. And kasama na rin yung family mo na napaka-loving and thoughtful. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Miss ko na rin yung mga ulitan natin. So, see you soon. Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Edsel. Many more birthdays to come. See you. Bye!
Otanjo Via Medito, Ninong, the golden boy. Sabi ko lang kay Ninong, mabuting tao, mabuting asawa at ama sa kanyang pamilya. And thank you so much for always there for me. Lalo na yung nagtatrabaho pa ako. Diba? Nandiyan ka palagi para sa akin. I wish you all more success, more blessings, and good health. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Edsel. May God continue to bless you with abundant grace, much love, and good health as you continue to be a blessing to your family and friends. Enjoy your special day and all the best as you tread the path of golden age. Okay? Happy golden birthday again.
Hi Edsel, happy birthday. I hope you have a great birthday with your family. And I hope you have many more happy and healthy years ahead with everyone that you hold dear. And I thank you for being a friend to me, especially all these years. And I'm looking back at the times that we were younger and we used to double date, triple date with Chody, Jenny, and myself, and the husbands that we have now. It's been a great journey, and it's been great knowing you, and I wish you all the best in your career, in your family life. So, ingat palagi, and have a great birthday. Bye! See you soon!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday daw!
Happy birthday!
Hi, paring Edsel. Nahihiya ako. Alam mo naman, napakamahiyaan ko. Pero dahil espesyal ang araw na ito, nais kong maghatid sa iyo ng isang pagbati mula sa videong ito. Happy 50th birthday sa iyo. Dalangin ko na sa iyong kaarawan ay matupad pa lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay at patuloy pa kayong maging maligaya ng iyong mga anak na si Jensel at Joshua kasama ang minamahal kong kaibigan na si Jen. Sana ay patuloy ka ring maging biyaya pa ng mga taong nakakasalamuha mo sa mga darating pang panahon. Happy 50th birthday, mahal kong kaibigan at kumpare.
Happy birthday, Ninong Edsel! More blessings po!
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다.
Happy birthday, Ninong Edsel!
We are deeply thankful to God for blessing us with such wonderful godparents, a family we can always rely on.
Your love story is truly inspiring, and your journey around the sun reflects God's steadfast provision in your life.
Thank you for being the rock of your family, providing unwavering support, and being a hero whose strength surpasses any storyline from Korean drama.
You embody the essence of a loving husband and father, and your serene presence amidst life's chaos reflects the Spirit of Christ amongst us.
May God grant the desires of your heart and protect you from harm.
And may your dreams find fulfillment, and may you always have enough sunshine to brighten the rainy days.
Love you!
And we look forward to seeing you very soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po. Take care po kayo ni Ginang, and I wish you po all the best. Kayo po ang ultimate power couple. Take care po. Happy birthday!
Hey, Sir Edsel, I just want to let you know that you are a very trustable customer, and thank you very much for believing in us. I wish you the happiest birthday forever. Rico from Fujitsu.
Hi Sir Cutie, this is Kim. Happy birthday sir. Firstly, I wanted to thank you for the friendship and trust and our regular stressful work. And also I wanted to take this opportunity to thank you and Miss Jen for being there with us, witnessing me and Daryl's special event last February. So thank you so much for attending. I wish you more blessings, sir, good health, of course, happiness, and less stress. So happy birthday again, and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Sir Edsel! We wish you good health, and we thank you for all the support you extended to us. So from your friendly neighborhood partner here in Fujitsu, Philippines,
We from Smart City and team wishes you happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Sir Edsel. My wish is for you to have another 50 more fruitful years to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. God bless po.
Happy 50th birthday, Sir Edsel. Hope today brings you great joy. You are the best mentor I could ask for. Thank you for everything you do to help me improve and grow as a professional. I consider myself very lucky to have your mentorship, leadership, and guidance. Hope you get to take this day to yourself. Happy birthday, sir.
What's up, Sir Edsel? Hi, Sir Edsel. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, and God bless po.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑해요, Sir Edsel. 생일 축하합니다. 마ligayang araw, Sir Edsel. Happy 50th birthday, Sir Edsel.
Hello, Sir Edsel. Happy birthday. God bless po.